Bandit's out there playing with his basketball. I'm out here testing. This was right before the big snowstorm that we're supposed to get. We were supposed to get about 10 to 12 inches this evening and tonight. So, and that's just going to accumulate onto the 8 inches I probably already have. It's been, right now it's about 14 degrees Fahrenheit with the wind chill in the single digits. At night it's below zero. You had like 10 and 15 below zero Fahrenheit with the wind chill. Yeah, it's pretty windy. See cars going by at about 25 miles an hour. Need a new mailbox this year. Snow plows about knocked it out. If the snow's any deeper in there, he'll be able to walk across that fence. And it looks like it's still somewhat snowing. God, I hate this shit. Go outside here and see what all the white looks like. Bandit playing in it. See how bad the drifts are over here beside the house. And I plowed this last night at 6 o'clock. We had a lot of wind, and it stopped snowing at about 8 or 9. But it was still windy, so it was still blowing real bad. See, I'm walking through 6 inches of snow right now. Because I plowed all this out and all that big mountain of snow up there's from last night. I can hear snow blowers off in the distance. Yep, looks like we've got a rabbit. Some rabbit tracks. Go off that way. Plow trucks are just now starting to go through. Got one swipe down the middle of the road. I'm gonna have to wait for him to go down the other side of the road because he threw it onto that side. He didn't throw it into the driveways. So then he'll throw that over into the field. Yeah, that's pretty damn deep. No salt or sand yet. Oh, there comes the truck. I'm gonna go get my coveralls on and get the tractor out. What are you doing, Turdy? Huh? You like playing in the snow? Yeah, with those wheel weights and my 200-pound butt on that seat, this thing will push through about anything. Plus the tires are full of windshield washer fluid. Yeah, so I think there's 65 pounds or 70 pounds of liquid in each tire. Plus it has the wheel weights and chains. Most people think they get the bar lug ag tires and that's all they need. Wrong. Those are nice for dirt, but they're not worth crap in the snow. You gotta have chains. Chains is what pushes this thing. It'll dig in and it will push snow over top of that blade. This stabilization test. I've got the mic turned down to 0 dB. And it's shaking like crazy just sitting here in an idle. So I kind of want to see what it's going to look like. I got all this back here for now. We're supposed to get more snow later. Supposed to get another couple inches, I think Wednesday or Thursday. Got that mounted up. Got the plates underneath there. Got my truck running. Just not quite sure what you can see. I still got to figure out all the settings on this camera. I don't know if it's getting blurred out from the bright light, you know, because the sun's out and it feels damn good. I mean, you see it's already melting. So it's melting already in spots when the sun stays out. But all this piled up. Probably ought to sold it, but like I said, it's supposed to rain again. Got it cleared out around my mailbox a little bit. Then all this over here. And we're going to get more snow. They say maybe a couple more inches. But then the forecast is for calling for in the 40s next week. So we're going to have a lot of water. Alright, here's some of the aftermath of what I got cleaned up. Big pile of snow halfway up that 4-foot fence, over halfway up it. Bandit's in there playing with his basketball. What are you doing, buddy? He's showing his game. He's got game. But here's all the snow I got shoved up the hill, and you can hear the, I don't know if you can hear the crunch of the snow, so it's still pretty cold. It's in the probably the low teens right now. The sun's starting to come out. It's behind a bunch of clouds. And my wife left. I think she went to go get one of my grandsons. He wants to come over and hang out for the day. Got all this snow. All this got shoved from the asphalt part of the driveway this way. Everything that came around the back went across the road. Every time the plow truck made a big pile at the end of the driveway, I shoved it across the road. This was a pain. You can see the piles at the neighbors. We haven't had snow like this in probably about 5 years. I'm ready for spring. I'm so ready for it. I'm ready to start complaining about how hot it is. Like Steve Summers said, he's ready to start complaining about having to mow the yard. I hate mowing the yard, but it's better than shoveling snow.